Hello all. So today I'm going to show you how to convert your laptop's wireless LAN card mode to monitor to capture the wireless LAN logs. So there are two ways to convert it into monitor. One is through iwconfig, another is through iw command. So first of all, we have to be in super user mode. We can see that this is normal user mode. So how we'll do sudo -s. So we are in root user mode, or we can say super user mode, and then now we can see this my wireless LAN card is currently connected to my wireless LAN access point. So first of all, I have to stop the network manager service. The network manager service is something where you can configure your access point in your client, and then whenever you are powering on the client, it will automatically connect to the saved access point. So first of all, we have to stop this network manager so that it should not try in between to connect again and again. So we say service network manager. You can see this wireless LAN icon has disappeared. Now what we have to do is we have to switch off the wireless LAN card. If config WLAN 0 down, so this will switch off the wireless LAN card. So this way we can make sure that the card is not up. If we do if config, we can see the WLAN 0 is not appeared here. However, we can see through iwconfig command WLAN 0 is appeared here, and mode is managed, which is the station or client. So now we are using right now to convert mode to monitor through iw. So iwconfig WLAN 0 mode mon stands for monitor, and then when after that we can say WLAN 0. Now we want to check what is the current mode, whether it is changed or not. So then we have to send the iwconfig command, and then we can see the mode is monitored, it is changed to monitor, and then we can say the if config WLAN 0 up. This way we can we are switching it on, and then after we can use this interface to capture 8.2.11 logs. If config, if I do after making it on config, so we can see this hardware address is having this much big length address, which is not practically not expected. This way we can make sure that the device mode is changed to monitor. Now another way is to use iw command to convert it to monitor. Let's use and see how it works. We have to first reset it back to manage. If config, if I do WLAN 0, again I have to do down iwconfig WLAN 0 mode man for managed, and if config WLAN 0 up. Then if I say if config, the device is up, it is having the practical hardware address, which is its current hardware address. Now again I want to change the mode through iw command. So what I will do, WLAN 0 down, again I am powering off. Now there is a difference. iw dev WLAN 0, iw device dev, and then which device WLAN 0, and then what we want to do, we want to set what monitor and none. So this way we can show that okay, we have changed to monitor mode. Other ways, if we want to know what is the current mode, we can do through iw command as well. iw dev WLAN 0, iw WLAN 0 info. So we can say that see that interface is WLAN 0, interface index is 3, type is monitor, Wi-Fi structure is 6. So that way we are knowing that what is the current type in case if your laptop doesn't support iwconfig. Now we have to again make it up to WLAN WLAN 0 up, and if we say if config, we can see that the hardware does change something blah blah blah. Now if you want to capture the log, we say Wireshark We are seeing WLAN0 interface here. When I say WLAN0, I can see this is capturing logs at channel 13. Channel 13 is there. Now if you want to capture the 802.11 log at channel 6, what we do, IW there WLAN0 set channel 6, and then we can see this is changed to channel 6. Channel 6 here. Note that whenever you want to change the channel, you have to your card should be up and it should be running, then only you will be able to change the channel. So this is how you can convert the card, your laptop's wireless LAN card, and can capture the 802.11 logs. And in case if you really want to debug the 802.11 protocol, or you really want to see the logs and what kind of protocol 802.11 standard shares, you can directly see the bits and bytes here in this Wireshark log. And if you want to learn it, you can use the same technique to learn it. So really great tool to understand how 802.11 works. This tool provides many filters and all. It's just a matter of exploring. Thank you very much. In next video I will show you how to use your different tools to crack it, WEP key, then WPA, and then WPA2 as well. So thank you.